flowing stream so clear, whispering in our ear. Gentle breeze so light, sings through day and night. Mountains stand so high, touching the blue sky. Forests calm and deep, where secrets softly sleep. Nature's song so pure, echoes that endure. Birds chirping near and far, melody that's who we are. Wind carries dreams, rustling leaves it seems. Streams gentle flow, to your heart it goes. Mountains watch us keep their secrets safe and deep. Forests breathe with life, free from worldly strife. Nature's song so pure, echoes that endure. Birds chirping near and far, melody that's who we are. Nature so pure, echoes that endure. Birds chirping near and far, melody that's who we are.